guys can tell, I've been doing a lot of pulls recently, and I think it's time for me to do the oil change, because I feel like I haven't done it in like, damn, that was loud. I feel like I haven't done it in maybe like, I don't know, like maybe 2,000 miles or something like that. And I am like, that's not bad or anything, obviously, but again, like if I'm kind of not abusing, but somewhat, I guess, in some sort of way, kind of, you know, pushing it, I'd want to make sure I'm always up to date with my maintenance. So I just did my spark plugs at 130,000. Yep, 130. Yeah, you guys heard me, 130,000. She's up there. I've been driving this car everywhere I go, and I've replaced a couple things, you know, obviously definitely replaced a couple things, which is, you know, basic maintenance, like belts and stuff like that, you know, brakes. I want to see like maybe ball joints. I did do the back adjustable, like the full adjustable setup in the back, so the sway bars, the whole white line adjustable settings. So the adjustable, you know, bar itself with the links, put it on the maximum like stiff settings, and it rides perfectly fine. I feel like I definitely need to do the front ones really soon, but we'll get there soon, you know, we'll get there later and everything like that. Is that a IS300 right there? That Camaro right there. I don't know if I should give him the smoke. Nah, I've given too many Camaros the smoke. No, I can't give the smoke to V8s though, not gonna lie to you guys. Definitely not going to be able to do that. Wow. Walmart's kind of, you know, it's a bit packed like usual. COVID-19, you feel me? So it's kind of sketchy. It's really sketchy. Like I hate being out because of that stuff. And I mean, we're in quarantine, but this is an essential thing to do for my vehicle, to do an oil change. I like those Mini Coopers. They can look pretty clean sometimes, but I would not drive one. I wouldn't shit on cars either, like it's their opinion, you know what I mean? But I don't know, you guys, personally I wouldn't. Where's my wallet, you guys? The amount of times that I end up losing my wallet is ridiculous, like ridiculous. Man, we are out here and it's dead. It's like, well, it's not really dead, you know, Walmart's always booming, so it's just how it always do, you feel me? Find what oil we got going on. This shit's heated. Now the one that I'd be usually going for, let's see where it's at. It's the 5W30. I mean, we can, there's this is 20 minutes. Honestly, the way I change my oil every, like, you know, 3,000 miles or something like that, that should be good enough. Works with me. I don't think I'm gonna need anything else from here. I was really thinking about doing the direct injection cleaning, which, you know, since I got a throttle body spacer, I can spray the I'm trying to see where it's at. Give me a sec. I think these are the ones, maybe. Yeah, the gasoline direct injection ones, the ones where you can just spray in there and it cleans it out, carb clean. No, not this. I don't think it's this one though. Some like this though. I know that. I was looking it up online, but probably not gonna have to worry about that right now. But what we are gonna need is, definitely need those filters, you feel me? 30, I think it's 3614 to be honest with you guys, but don't want to buy something I'm not so sure about, you feel me? Alright, go with Fold. Where's Fold? 2014 and focus. Let's see, these right here, these are stop and go protection. $6 here, not bad. I'm gonna definitely go with better that instead of this one. I think that's gonna be pretty much it, you guys. Or actually, let me go ahead and get some jack stands just to be on the safe side, you feel me? They have these nice ass. These come with two? Yeah, they do come with two. Ooh, that's nice. You know how easy that's gonna make life? And it's $39. That's not bad. Strong as steel, huh? I like this. Alright, you know what? We're gonna go ahead and take this. Oh shit. I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. Because that means that, oh my god, this is gonna be a lot more easier than I thought. Go ahead and skirt this real quick, you know what I'm saying? Hit the donut. Oh my god, there we go. So we got oil, we got the filter. We are gonna need another, what do you call it? Another one of these oil. One more. I'm gonna just go ahead and get something that's not that expensive. Nothing crazy, you know what I'm saying? It's just a quart. 2, 3, 7, 5. Yeah, it's not that bad, I guess. Might as well. Might as well, you feel me? What else we got going on? That's pretty much all I need from Walmart, I guess. 5:30, yes sir. That's it. Well, we got them all, boys. Got them all, y'all. My boy's about to come over here and try to check these real quick. At least I gotta light the camera in his face, but might as well. What's up, dude? You too, man. Thanks, bro. Weather's decent. Nothing crazy about it. Seems like a good weather to do an oil change, though. I don't know why, but I decided to do one today, so we might as well, you know. You feel me? You heard? What? You're lucky it was right here, or else I would have not took it there. I'm BD. Ooh, man. Man, it's crazy. That's crazy. That's fucking crazy. I don't know if you guys noticed that. Go ahead and wait. Make sure it's in. There it is. There it is. Tired. That boy's tired. Oh my god, there's pulling up to the cribbo. Finally. I feel like it's been a while. So I wish if I kind of brought it up a little sooner, but I actually ended up purchasing new wheels. Yep, y'all heard me right. We ended up purchasing new wheels, and I actually went with the, I don't know if a lot of people have heard about them. It's the Focus RS3 wheels, but the what do you call it? Alright guys, so we finally made it, at least. Now I am gonna keep the car on, since I gotta, you know, put it on all this shit, you feel me? So we go ahead and line them up. Just line it up, you feel me? Line it up. Just down here. Alright guys, so feels like it's gonna start raining soon, so we're gonna have to do this kind of a little bit quick. So I ended up putting them both on, you know, not really jacks down, but those lifters or whatever you guys want to call them. Now the tools that I use that makes it a lot easier for me to do this oil change is gonna be one of those clamps for your filter, and make sure it fits. Yep, obviously one of these, a socket. Now I personally, you guys will see that I will usually take off the filter first, or loosen up the filter first, and the filter's right, I don't know if you guys notice the filter's right there, right there. So I'm about to go ahead and maybe I'm gonna need some a little longer than that actually. So yeah, that's another thing. You guys gonna need a little more than one extension. Now the way, as you guys can tell, my tools are all over the place. There they are, because I need to fix, you know, clean up everything hopefully sometime soon. We got extendo. Let me tell you guys right now, we got the extendo. Now this is tight in position, loosen. There we go. Go ahead and get in there real quick. Alright, just get it in there first. Nope. There we go. Now I'm gonna hold it, make sure you get good grip on it. Come on now. There we go. There we go. It feels weird on there. No. Make sure you get your hands in there, you feel me? Where is it? Where are you, filter? Where is the filter? There it is. It's up here. Alright, yeah, so. Yep, there we go. It's kind of hard to get. Definitely felt that dripping all on me, but oh well. How's the oil? Oh well, it's alright. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just take the whole thing off. Now the way I do it, it's an oil change. The way everybody does is I end up draining it at the end, just like how everyone else does it. Ah, fuck, why did I just do that? Okay, I guess. Oh, great. That would have been bad if I forgot that in there. No. Did breathe in? Alright. Fuck. There we go. Nice, nice, nice. Let's go ahead and get rid of all that bullshit in my hands. Alright, now so since I already did, you know, take off the filter, I usually put a new one on there before I take everything off. So 3614, tough guard, this and that. Fair enough, good for me, good enough. Oh man, are you guys serious? Damn. I just got scammed, boys. Damn. That's crazy. So, damn. Oh my god. No fucking way. Well, I'm gonna have to keep going with it. You know, I got no other choice, so. I'm kind of a little upset, kind of a little salted right now. Fucking Walmart, man. Can't even afford it. People can't even afford filters, let's just say that. They had to stain my old filter. But I have this. Let's go ahead and, you know, kind of get it nicely done up and everything, nothing crazy. Go ahead and push this back. Get this in here. Push this back deep. Oop, there we go. All right. Wow. They just scammed me on fucking I just got finessed, boys. I think I just got finessed. That's crazy, man. Alright guys, so after I've pretty much replaced the filter, I'm gonna need a 15 for the what do you call it? I'm kind of a little bit upset. I'm about to actually end up calling them right now and, you know, gonna have to talk to someone about that, because that's fucked up how they gave me a different filter than the one that I'm supposed to have. But yeah, so you're gonna need a 15 to take off that drain plug. You feel me? You heard? Alright guys, let's go ahead and put some exactly what I'm looking for. Oh, let's hope I don't mess this up like I always do. God, when your hands are super, like, you know, this grip kind of sucks. Dude, are you kidding? Come on now. There we go. Fuck, I just dropped it in there now. Imagine if I dropped it in there and it drops in my, like, inside my car. We're fucked, boys. Oh my god. Wasn't that bad, it's fine. Well, I'm kind of a little bit upset about the filter, so I'm about to go back there and complain. Plus, I just realized that this is used also. Shit that Walmart sometimes does. But I love Walmart at the same time, don't get me wrong, but some of the shit that they got going on got me fucked up, let me just say that, alright? So let's go ahead and check our oil and see what we got going on. You know what I mean? No, I think that I need another quart, to be honest with you guys. Most likely we'll need, yeah. Oh yeah. So I'll definitely go ahead and need another quart of that. So what I'm gonna probably do is, yeah, half a quart. You know, I'm gonna just drive it normally till Walmart till I get there, because I'm gonna have to. We got problems with Walmart. Let's just say that we got some issues going on, so we're gonna have to go resolve that. This is in good. You know, I will do a list on everything that I have going on, but for the time being, I always make sure that nothing looks like it's out of the blue, I guess, if that kind of makes sense. Alright, that seems pretty good to me. Nice. Well, hate to tell you guys this, but it's pretty much gonna wrap it for this video. I'm kind of a little bit upset that, you know, they gave me a completely different filter, so I'm about to go back there, and we got issues with Walmart. Let me just tell you guys that right now. So I'm gonna tell them that like I had to reuse this filter. I couldn't reuse my filter, so you guys gave me a, you know, false ass filter. We got problems with that. Let me just tell you guys that. But so yeah, you guys, I'm about to pretty much take this filter back to Walmart, and I'm pissed. Let's just say that. Well, I'm pretty pissed off, because here I am gonna have to, you know, drive again to Walmart. Well, just gonna wrap it up for you guys. It's gonna be the video. I'll keep you guys updated. Hopefully I'll probably, all right, you guys, so I kind of realized two things. This is used and this is used, and I'm just like, fuck, you know what I mean? That kind of sucks. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and, you know, go to Walmart and have to get it figured all out. So I'll see you guys in a whole different video. Hey, you guys gotta like, comment, subscribe, because we're having videos going on with this facelifts. You just can't say, you feel me? So get that subscribe button, you know, stay tuned, you feel me?